Hello guys, this is DFXS. Once again, welcome to TFX family. I believe that guys, you are doing good and we are glad for that and we thank God for that. Guys, it's another day that I have to remind you guys because we are running out of time. The time is not on our side, on our country or in our tribe. We say that even the sun does not wait for a king. It doesn't matter whether you are king or who you are. The sun cannot wait for you. That means always know how to work with the time or how to keep time before it's too late. Guys, it's just a reminder that we are still running out of time as we are still continuing celebrating our first annual anniversary since we started sharing the system. And you remember that we are giving all our system with 50% offer. This means that the robot, which always goes with $500 per lifetime, now it's going with $250. Guys, we are celebrating these things together. A manual system that goes with the $349 is going with the half price, which is $170, guys, and you don't have to miss this opportunity. I think this is the opportunity that you have been looking for, guys. And because we are running out of time, because from date one, guys, you can't tell me, guys, is don't ask if the offer is still there. The offer is now until the end of the month. Grab any of the system. Go there in our YouTube channel, guys. Make sure that you watch those videos. The system that you desire, they are working greatly, guys. They are working so perfectly, and this is why even today I will say some things here about this our three our levels version 3 of advanced. You know, many people have this system, and today I just want to say something that I discovered with this very good and good for everyone. So guys, remember this offer, it's not there until another we'll give another offer when we will be celebrating our second anniversary. So grab this opportunity, have the system of your choice, and let's milk money together. Don't left behind, guys. Let's walk in the same page. So guys, let's go direct to our TFX levels version 3. This is the TFX level version 3. For those people who have the system, and I believe you have the TFX division, I just want you to set the setting, the period of 63 for division. Add it to this mountain because there is something that I want to train you, which that the system is so profitable. Remember, we have two systems that trades candles. We only so far have two systems that they are very great. The one number one is TFX levels, and we have TFX classic. You can watch those video and in our YouTube. And when you go there, guys, it is good to subscribe. To subscribe is free, so that you can be notified every time anytime we release a new system. So guys, let's go direct and teach you something here. This video will not be that long. I will try my best to make it short for you to understand. Our old system, they are very simple. Our old system, whether it is Renko systems, whether it is this manual system for candles, guys, our system are very simple and accurate. You don't do a lot of analysis because they are all coded according to the knowledge we have, and I believe it's very profitable. This is the system the Queen FX used to give people the signal. She always picks signal from the system. It's so great and very simple. We say the rules of this system at TFX level version 3. It's very simple. Number one, you just go to 4 hours time frame if you want to confirm what I'm about to tell you. If we have any red dotted or aqua dotted in 4 hours time frame, then we will be looking for that opportunity, or we will be taking trade in H1 or small time frame according to what you want. If you're doing scalping, I will cover that. Or already we have covered that about what to look at in 15 time frame but this one I'm going to talk about 1 hour, because to make things easier for scalping, it's already there. Even this one for the 1 hour, it's already there, but I want to show you how to exit market. Maybe don't just exit the market earlier, but this feature, it will always help you to enter the market and to exit market in H1 and small time frame. But today we are talking about the H1 because I see it's very important not to mix all time frame, so that if you get one video, if it is not your choice, then you go to the time frame that you always wish to trade from. Now, after going to H4, we can see now here we have a red dotted resistance, and here we have a equal dotted support, and in other hand, you can still see we have a red triple T. We have read this about our red triple T in 4 hours. And we say every time you see a red triple T or equal triple T in 4 hours time frame using this level version 3, guys, it is a trade that you're supposed to hold more. It's a trade that you're supposed to hold for that buy. Guys, for this mountain, it's very accurate when it is at level 90 or 10, especially when it is at level 90 in 4 hours time frame. You will be it's a good trade that will be a good for the buyers, and when it's at 90, we're expecting a smooth and a perfect sell. Now, at this point, whether there is a red triple T, we do scalping in small time frame. And if there is a triple T, sorry, if there is a plain dotted, we do some scalping in small time frame. But wherever there is a triple T, anywhere you find triple T, that is a trade to hold. But for plain one, just take for a few pips, for like 50 pips, guys, and get out of the market. Let us go to 1 hour and see what our system will tell us in 1 hour time frame. You can see we have a triple T here. The mountain, it's at 19, guys. This is where you take the trade. This is where you take the trade, because as you can see now, the feature, let me select here our ATM, because this is ATM. The ATM is what will tell you now sell. So you don't just sell because you see there is a triple T and there is a dotted red and the mountain is at level 90. To enter the market, you have to wait for this ATM arrow. Then the ATM arrow will tell you now everything. Now it's confirmed, because sometimes you can sometimes in so many systems, maybe from the people you have seen, you can find that all confirmation are there, everything you are told to confirm, but all of a sudden the market continue going up. This tells you that this indicator will remain, because the mountain will break this resistance and it will continue going up. And there we don't say that the indicator remains more. No, we don't say that, because now the indicators here are indicating the resistance. And if something happens, the market goes continue being a bullish market, it will totally break this resistance. So the dotted will disappear and wait for another confirmation resistance from big time frame. But for this incident, this is where we are very happy because of the ATM now, because now we are at level 19, and as you can see now, the D feature changed the color from the green to red. So there is an all confirmation. Now we were waiting for the market now to finish with everything, consolidation, dragging, blah blah blah, until we find the ATM. So when the ATM appeared, automatically you sell that trade. And remember, because in 4 hours we only have a plain dotted resistance. We have a plain dotted resistance. This is what I was telling you. It's only for going for some few pips to this place. So after taking the trade from this ATM, you will exit the market where you see there is a blue dotted. This is where we say that, guys, exit market. The moment the dotted will start appearing at this place, exit from those from the market. Those are for the people who are trading manually. And remember, we have the robot, which I will be introduced very soon, maybe on Monday, because we are on a weekend. So you exit here, and so far you will grab more than 50 pips. This is why I was telling you the few pips you can go in for in H1 using this system. It is 50 pips, because after entering the market, make sure you place your stop loss behind our triple T. At this place is where you place your stop loss. Now let's look if we can find another. Yeah, this one. Now this is what I wanted. Now for this one, AUDJPY, you can see we have a equal triple T in. Oh, no, we are looking for H4. Let's see the one with yeah, like this one. Let's go for in H4. We have a triple T at this place. Let's go see even in this Euro USD where we can find that is so smooth. I just want the one that maybe looks like the one with yeah, like this one. I was looking for this one. No. I don't know where this place is. Let's go to 4 hours. Was looking, yeah, this one. Yeah, I know some don't understand why I'm saying this. Guys, get this. I just wanted to look for the one that looks like never went far from 4 hours, but the dotted we have it has the triple T, the Aqua triple T here. Now let's go to 1 hour. Let me see if I can do this. Where is this? Okay. Now let's go to 1 hour and see this, because this one is what I'm telling you, you can hold in 1 hour time frame. This one is what I'm telling you. As long as there is a dotted and the dotted and the triple T in 4 hours time frame, this is a trade that you can hold for more pips. This is a trade that you can hold for more pips. And this is your entry. As you can see now, the mountain is at level 10, guys. The mountain is at level 10 in H4. Let me place my ATM. Now, when the market is at this place, the market changed the color from red to green. As you can see, the mountain now, it was at level 10. The ATM is here. Our trading master changed the color from red to green. What is that? A good buy. You can see, you can grab a lot of people from this area until the appearance of first blue dotted, and that is 300 pips. And something that will help you to hold more of these pips, it is to place your stop loss behind our triple T, at this place, guys. This system is so simple and accurate. You'll only need to follow rules correctly. And if you follow the rules, especially now we have the mountain, guys, you'll never miss this golden opportunity in the market. Always use good money management, because that's where people miss. Use good money management. After that, place your stop loss. Always work with your stop loss, and everything here is indicated. So place your stop loss behind our triple T. Remember, we don't control market. It doesn't matter the perfect system we have. The market is the market. Something can happen. Sometimes you may forget to look if there is an event that are going on. Maybe you forgot to look if there is a news. But in case of anything like that, guys, that's why you need to work with a stop loss. Now, from this place, guys, we can see even the market get into this place. The other thing you can use to exit the market, it is when the other thing you can use to exit the market, it's when our D feature will change from green to red. You can exit market now and know that the market will change. And if you can see clearly, there was also a blue dotted here there where we are using it to exit the market. We are talking about H1 here, the combination of what to see in H4 and enter the trade in H1. We are not talking about 30 minutes and 15 minutes for scalping. In this video, we are talking about H4 and H1 entries. Now, keep this in mind. It's for any of the pair that you want to choose, and it is good to look if to see if the pair is trading good. If you find the pair is trading like this one is not good, because this one always walk in the same direction, in the same area. This is sometimes it's not good to trade with a pair like that one, but for this one is good. This is USD card. This one is good. Let's put our level. Now, let me talk about these rules in simplicity. in simplicity. If in 4 hours time frame, a place like here, there is only a red dotted. Now the dotted are only 3 dotted. The red are dotted. The blue is only, we use the blue dotted support of resistance to exit the market. So the only thing we are looking before we enter the market, it is the red triple dotted support and the aqua dotted support and resistance. And whenever you find a plain dot, a place like this one, in 1 hour, go only for 50 pips. You can just set 50 pips, take profit, and the stop loss behind the triple T. That is the rule, what you're looking before you enter the trade in H1. Now, another rule here, when you get any of the triple T, whether it is red, the red tells you that you can hold for more pips. But if it's a red or equal triple T combined with the equal dotted support or red dotted support and resistance in H4, guys, you can hold for more than 100 pips profit, a place like this one. Now, let me go back here because there was a good example at this place about how to exit from that market. Now, this one is what we said we are taking for few pips in H1, in H1, guys. And there is one thing I want you to keep this in mind. Keep this in mind. Make sure the mountain, wherever you take the trades, if you want to take a perfect trade without missing that opportunity, in case of anything, but that is like 3%. But if you want to take a clear and perfect entry in H1, using the same strategy, guys, make sure the mountain it's at level 90. Keep that in mind. Mountain, it's at level 90 in H1, not in H4, in H1. In H4, when the mountain is at level 90 or at level 10, my friend, it's a golden now opportunity in H1 or small time frame. But here we're talking about the H1. Now, at this place, we said, at this place now, you will do this in all pairs of your choice. At this place now, let me where is this ATM? At this place, this is our entry point now. This is our entry point now. The mountain, it's at level 90. We are done with the mountain. When the mountain is at level 10, we are done with it. The only thing now we are looking, it is D Fisher, changing the color from green to red, our trading master from green to red, and our ATM. So this is our entry point. This is our entry point. If like this triple, the trading master haven't changed the color, don't enter. Wait for it to change the color, then enter that market at this place. We already have ATM. We already have at level 90, and the Fisher now it's at level. I have changed the color from green to red. Then take that trade from there. Then from there, we are going, because in 4 hours it's a plain dotted, we are only going for like 50 pips. As you can see, this is more than that. This is 61. So we are good to take our profit in 50 pips. But if in H4 we have the triple T, either aqua or red or yellow, this is the golden opportunity in H1. Let's go back to H1, guys, and see our entry where our mountain is. Look at this, guys. The mountain is at level 90. Look our entry point now here. It's simple as that one, guys. It is simple as that one. And we say if there is a triple T with the dotted in H4, you can go for more than 100 pips. Now, where is our ATM? Where is our ATM? This is our ATM. This is our entry point now. This is our entry point. Let's see, guys, where we get our 100 pips. It's already where? This is 200. Guys, see, this is 215 pips before our blue dotted started appeared at that place. You can exit the market. And I said, you can hold the market until again, if you don't want to exit early, until when our when our diffuser changes the color from red to green for more pips. Let's see how many pips that we grabbed from that place to this place. That place to where? To this place. This is to 100 because the market reversed. Okay, but I think here we have more than pips that here. For me, that's sometimes when the market drop, because sometimes the market can continue dropping, and maybe exiting from this area was early exit. So you can practice this on your demo account, whether to exit with our triple T, not our triple T, our fisher or our blue dotted. Sometimes the fisher gives a good profit, and it will always help you to hold for more profit. Guys, let me see if we can find another pair so that I can give a last example. Okay, this one is so cool, guys. This is this 4 hours? Wow, this is 4 hours, guys. Let me look something like Euro JPY. It's almost the same with LUD. Let me go, which one? I really love CAD JPY. I really love this pair, guys. Now, my point is here now, and I'm about to finish. Don't say that I'm repeating myself, because I have to keep this in your mind. I have to tell you this so that, guys, you don't just wait for more videos. More videos even sometimes can confuse you. The rules are very simple, because the only thing you need to understand here, it is the rules of the system. If you get the rules of the system, guys, you have nothing else to do. The only thing you'll be watching there, or the things that you're analyzing there, it is the events that are happening behind the market. We call them news. It's only the news that are happening behind the market. But the rules of the system is so easy, especially even this one, TFX levels version 3. It's very easy. Rule number 1, you just go to 4 hours time frame. Let's say, for instance, you want more pips. You don't want to scalp for 20 pips. 20 pips and less is for people for 30 minutes or 15 minutes. But if you want to grab more than 50 pips in with this system, just watch 4 hours time frame, analyze 4 hours time frame chart, and 1 hour time frame. It's where you pick your trade. So rule number 1, what you're going to look when you're analyzing your chart in 4 hours time frame, it is to see if there is a red dotted, whether plain or with the triple T. This is our triple T. This is aqua triple T's. Now, if there is a red triple T or yellow triple T or aqua triple T in H4, go for more than 100 pips. Go for more than 100 pips in H1. If there is only a plain dotted support or resistance without triple T, just go for 50 pips. You can go for more, but your target is 50 pips in H1. And the entry is very easy. After seeing that, like this place, after seeing that we have a red echo triple T at this place, this is H4 for AU CAD JPY. We are seeing that in H1, go for more than 100 pips. In H1, the mountain should be at level 10 or 90. The rule number 1, the mountain should be at level 10 if it is a buy, and the D feature here, let me show you something here, guys, sorry. The D feature will change from red to green. If it is a sell, it will change from green to red. And our ATM, we have 3 things that will make us enter the trade. 1, it is the ATM, or the other one, it is the trading master and the fisher. Then from there, this is where our entry point now is. We said, because we have a triple T and dotted in H4, here we are going for more than 100 pips. As you can see, before our blue dotted appeared, we were already in 160 pips. 160 pips. You will never miss that one if you follow these rules correctly. I don't have to make more videos to maybe to paint the system. No, the rules are very simple. This is why I'm not mixing 15 minutes and 30 minutes. We'll talk that in another video, because I don't think I will always bring this video to remind you how the system works. So the rules are very simple. Keep that in mind. It's only in 4 hours. When analyzing the chart, we are looking for plain dotted or the red dotted support or resistance, whether it is plain or whether it is with a combination of the triple T. That's the only thing you analyze in 4 hours. When you analyze that, if it is the plain dotted in H4, you take 50 pips in H1. Don't go more than that. You can adjust your stop loss to your 50 pips where maybe your take profit is, then, or you can put the trailing step. So if you put that trailing step, no problem. As long as if the market reverse, you will always secure your 50 pips. Now, if in 4 hours we have a dotted and triple T, remember we are going for more than 100 pips. But the rules of H1 is 1. Make sure the mountain is at level 90. The D Fisher changes the color together with a trading master, and ATM will tell you now buy or sell. That's all. By following those few rules, guys, you'll be profitable in the market, believe it or not. For those people who have been there are so many people even in our group. The day we were sharing the free signal, our signal was more than 90% accuracy. And now, because we have upgraded the system, the things will be different from now. So have the system only with $170. You have the system for lifetime. By the end of this month, from date 1 October next month, the price will resume at its price, where we give the manual system with 349. Celebrate the anniversary with us. The other thing, we have the levels EA that is doing a lot in the market. I will present that also soon, though the videos are already there in our YouTube, but we have updated or upgraded the EA of our levels. I will share that video on Monday. So the level system working in H1 and H4, it's very simple as that, and you never miss opportunity, and you'll never lose your money or blow your account. Thank you so much, guys, and once again, welcome to TFX family. And remember, the time is not on our side. My friend, take this opportunity and have all of our system with half price, or that is your choice. But from there, never blame me. Thank you so much, and once again, welcome to TFX family. We love you and we adore you. Thank you.